Now we will discuss the get attribute using the ID. So get attribute, what does the get attribute do? Get attribute actually get for you the attribute like the ID, the class name, the title, font size, everything, every attribute you want. Okay, so how it can be achieved using how attribute can be get using the ID. So if you see different IDs, okay, this is heading 1 ID, which is x1. This is div with the a, okay, and this is double A, which is the image itself inside this div, the image itself ID inside this. And this is a1, which is the ID of this reference. Okay, so why we go towards the get element by ID? Because the problem with the main problem with the select query select is that it select only the first element. So we have to then use the IDs. Okay, so suppose we want to change the properties or get the properties of ID, like we take example of this A. Okay, so yeah, like the example of this A, we can get this attribute title, width, etc. title and width. Okay, so let's we take constant x is equal to document dot get element by ID. We write by ID, okay, and then we take, for example, we write the ID name. So which ID? For example, I write the AA name. So X is now shown here. Okay, this is the image, and this is the ID of that image. Now we will write x dot get attribute, x dot get attribute. So which attribute? Title. So we'll write the title, which is img. You can see here the img. Okay, if I write here the ID attribute for this image, which is A, and if we write the width, which is the 200 pixel, if we write the source, which is the diary.jpg. okay, so this is very useful property. You can get the attribute of any element. Okay, so if I assign, for example, to some other constant, like assign y with some more, like say for example a1. Okay, so when I write a1, it contains a link. So I write y dot get attribute and high reference. Okay, so you can see this link. So why we get it? Remember that getting and setting are the two important properties of JavaScript elements. Set are used to set the properties, and get is also used because latterly I will teach you how we can style. like I want to change the color font size. So using the property, so for setting the style we must have to get its value first. Okay, so this was all about the get attribute using the id. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much.